Hi everyone, it's Nalani and welcome back to my channel. So Diwali is right around the corner and I wanted to film something for you guys. So this was the look that I picked out, and I did go in with a couple of different palettes and a couple of different products to get this look, but I really did like the way everything turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So I've already primed my eyes and I used my Louise base. This is in Rumor 2, and I'm going to show you the top of the outfit so you can see where my vision is. I'm gonna really keep everything pretty simple, but I do want a lot of glitter. So yeah. So I think I want to start off with this palette right here. This is from Just Colors, and I am thinking about working in this color first and just applying it onto my upper lid area. And I'm just going to really blend this. I also think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this pinker tone as well and just work that right underneath, but just overlapping that color also. Now I'm just going to take a clean brush and just kind of buff out the edges on the top. So I'm going to cut my crease with this Louise base, and I don't have the greatest cut crease brush, so I'm going to use what I have and try to make this work. This brush sucks. So now that I struggled cutting my crease, I'm going to go in with this Dream Street palette. And I'm going to use this kind of shimmery tone right here and just pack this onto my lid. This shadow is actually really pretty. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but it kind of has a little bit of a greenish hue shift to it. So I think it's going to go really well with this look. Going back in with that baked brown palette, I think I'm going to go in with this shadow and a little bit of this and just start working it onto the outer V. So now for the glitter, I think I'm going to go in with a couple of different glitters. So the first two that I think I'm going to start off with are from Urban Decay. These are their heavy metal liners. This one is in Pyro and this one is in Grind. This is more of a holographic silver, and then this is more of a pink glitter. So I do want a little bit of both. So I'm just going to start off with this one first. And I'm just going to run this onto my lid. Just being really careful not to get this onto the crease area or onto the eyeliner. So I'm going to stop the glitter over here, just right here, and leave this part blank. So I'm just letting this dry a little bit before I apply the other color. I think this eye is good, so and I'm only adding a very small amount of this pink. I'm speeding up the drying process. So I think I want to add a very small amount of this really chunky glitter from NYX. This is in GLI06. This is the crystal one. And I'm just going to go in with the NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm just going to put the glitter primer just in the inner portion. I'm not putting a lot because this is really chunky, and I just want more dimension. And I'm just going in with a very small amount. Going in with this shade right here, I'm going to work this on my lower lash, and I'm bringing it all the way in. I'm going to bring this pretty far down. So now I'm going to go in with this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use this shadow right here and work this onto my lower lash line also. I'm going to keep this pretty tight. So that didn't go on the way I was hoping it was going to, so I'm going to go in with this palette right here. And there is this shade. I'm going to see if I can pack that on top of the eyeshadow and see what we get. And I think I'm going to spray my brush. It's actually a lot better. I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Fresh and add this into my waterline. I'm going to go back in and just blend that eyeshadow so it's not so harsh. I think I need a little more shadow to blend it. Going back in with the baked browns. I'm just going to buff and blend. I'm going to go in with this highlighter palette from LimeCrime. This is the Opals, and I think I want to use this highlighter right here. I'm not sure if it's picking up, but it is a really nice pink, and I really want this pink to stand out. So I'm going to dampen my brush and really just work this into the inner tear duct. I'm also going to apply this into my brow bone and my cheeks. I'm also taking that same pink and I'm just going to feather it up a little into the shadow. Now I'm just going to add a little point to my eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to highlight my face with the same LimeCrime palette. I think I'm going to use the gold right here to highlight my nose. I'm actually taking a little bit of peach. So I'm going to go in with the pink and I'm just going to highlight. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this Cover FX palette. This is in light medium, and I'm going to use the blush. I think I'm going to add a little bit of this gold because I think the pink is a little too intense. And I'm just going to pop this on the highest part. I'm going to take my Sephora powder and I'm just going to take a very small amount and just start buffing everything in. So I really wasn't sure what I was going to do with the lips. All I know is that I wanted a really nice peachy pinky nude, and I figured a little bit of gloss never hurt. So I went in with Morphe's Sugar Pie Lip Liner, then a little bit of Fenty's Unbutton Lip Paint, then a little bit of MAC's Saint Germain just right in the center, and then a little bit of the Fenty Glossbomb in the original Fenty Glow, and then went back in with a little bit more of Saint Germain just right in the center. I think I need a little bit more. Yeah, I think that looks a lot better. I told you, it was a lot of palettes. But this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial. I had a lot of fun creating this look. I really, really, really love the way everything turned out. I really hope that the camera is picking up on everything. But yeah, if you guys are celebrating Diwali, have a great one. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.